This is a Frequency 51 special bulletin.
We have breaking developments on 3I Atlas, our record-breaking interstellar visitor that continues to confound expectations. NASA has just released new data from the James Webb and Hubble space telescopes. The headlines declare victory. It's just a comet, NASA claims. Case closed. Mystery solved. But here's what the headlines aren't telling you. While the latest observations confirm comet-like behavior, they also reveal patterns that challenge our understanding of how objects move between the stars. The more we learn about 3I Atlas, the more questions emerge from the data. Tonight, we examine what NASA found, what they're still searching for, and why this ancient wanderer refuses to fit neatly into our categories. On August 25th, NASA published findings that should have ended the speculation. The James Webb Space Telescope's NIR SPEC instrument, observing on August 6th, detected both water vapor and carbon dioxide in 3I Atlas's coma, the textbook signature of an active comet releasing volatiles as solar radiation heats its nucleus. Hubble's July 21st imaging refined our size estimates, placing the object between 320 meters and 5.6 kilometers across. Not the massive mothership of science fiction, but a modest chunk of ancient ice and rock, bleeding material as it approaches our sun. NASA's trajectory analysis confirms perihelion around October 30th, with the object passing roughly 1.8 astronomical units from Earth, close enough for detailed study, far enough to pose no threat. The official designation, interstellar comet, natural origin. End of story. Yet even as NASA administrators declare the mystery solved, their own scientists quietly noted anomalies that resist easy explanation. The data supports a comet interpretation, but it also reveals a visitor that behaves unlike any comet we've previously encountered. Consider 3I Atlas's trajectory, nearly aligned with our solar system's ecliptical plane. For a random interstellar object, this represents an improbable coincidence. Most debris ejected from other star systems should arrive from random directions, not conveniently aligned with our planetary orbits. The object's tail presents another anomaly. Unlike typical comets, which develop prominent tails as they approach the sun, 3I Atlas showed minimal tail formation in early observations. Even now, its tail remains faint compared to comets of similar size and composition. While NASA published preliminary findings, no peer-reviewed paper has yet appeared in the scientific literature. The chemical fingerprints that could definitively characterize this visitor's origins remain under analysis. Dr. Avi Loeb of Harvard continues to advocate for the technological hypothesis, arguing that objects like 3I Atlas could represent artificial probes designed to study planetary systems. While NASA's data doesn't support this interpretation, it also doesn't definitively rule it out. The question isn't whether NASA's comet classification is wrong. The evidence strongly supports natural origins. The question is whether we're witnessing a type of comet fundamentally different from those born in our solar system. At Frequency 51, we follow the signal, not the headlines. The current evidence does support NASA's comet explanation. Natural composition, predictable motion, conventional volatile emissions. The mystery isn't whether 3I Atlas is artificial. It almost certainly is. The mystery lies in its exceptional characteristics. Why the near-ecliptic approach? Why the delayed tail development? Why does this interstellar visitor behave subtly different from solar system comets? These questions matter because they illuminate the diversity of objects traveling between stars. If 3I Atlas represents a comet evolution under different stellar conditions, it offers unprecedented insights into planetary formation beyond our solar system. So where does this leave us, dear viewers? 3I Atlas is most likely a natural interstellar comet carrying the chemical signature of another star system. The case for artificial origin remains extraordinarily weak, but the case for something genuinely unusual, a type of comet shaped by stellar environments we've never observed, grows stronger with each observation. As always, we encourage you to examine the evidence, question the narratives, and draw your own conclusions. Share with us your experiences, your sightings, and your encounters with the unexplained on X at frequency51_TV or using hashtag frequency51. Subscribe here at Frequency 51 News and ring the notification bell. Join the growing community of viewers who refuse to accept easy answers to difficult questions. As 3i Atlas races towards its October rendezvous with our sun, it carries more than ice and rock from another world. It carries reminders that the cosmos holds surprises we're only beginning to understand. The signals continue. Are you listening? Good evening.
This has been a Frequency 51 special bulletin.